Today we're going to talk about top 5 skincare rules that you have to follow if you're serious in your skincare routine and you want a better skin. Rule number 1, you have to have a skincare routine. Now, there is no argument about that. No one is arguing with you, or no one is telling you that you should or you shouldn't, or maybe or why, and it's just a fact. You have to have a skincare routine. And the next you have to do, the next rule you have to follow is to drink enough water. Healthy food and stop eating junk. You are what you eat, and your skin always reflects what you eat. So when you eat junk, your skin is going to look like junk. And when you eat good food, your skin is going to look good. So make the right choices, eat the right type of food, eat a balanced diet, eat food with lots of nutrients that are good for your skin, that will help your skin, that will nourish your body and help your skin glow. Never, did I mention never? And never, ever should you go to bed with your makeup on. Like, I don't care how tired you are. I don't even care if you're flat out drunk. Like, you should have a wipe. You should have micellar water. You should have anything that can help you clean your face by your bedside, so that as tired as you are, you still can wipe off that makeup from your face. The most basic skincare you should do, like if you're about to pass out, is to cleanse your face and to moisturize it. So make sure you do that. Make sure you take that makeup off. Never ever should you go to bed with it. Like, never. Then the last rule is to always apply sunscreen. And I always get questions like, why are you always talking about sunscreen? Like, is there a video you can make without mentioning sunscreen? Like, yes, your videos I make without mentioning sunscreen, but because sunscreen is the most important skincare product that you can have in your skincare collection, it's so important. And you may think you can get away with it, like you may say, after all, our parents earlier in the days, they never used any sunscreen and they are good to go. You can even say my mom, she's so age and she has good skin. Well, I'm so happy for your mom and I'm so proud for your mom, but you're not going to survive it. Why? Because the earth is getting hotter and hotter by the day, and the UV rays that are getting to your skin is much more than ever before. So that means that your skin needs this protection now more than it has ever needed it before. So get your sunscreen on. Get a mineral sunscreen if you can get your hands on it, or you can go for the chemical sunscreen. I made a video on sunscreen, so if you want the full download on sunscreen types, what it is, how to get it, which ones are good for your skin, I'm going to be leaving a link in my description for you to watch that video and learn that whole new stuff on that. So those are my 5 rules, guys. I'm going to brush up again. I'm going to go over it again just to make sure that you don't miss any. I said the first was to have an effective skincare routine. The second was to drink enough water. The third was to eat more healthy foods than junks, or just quit the junks already. Like, it doesn't help you in any way. The fourth is to never ever go to bed without makeup. And the fifth is to always apply your sunscreen. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Let me know in the comments if there are other rules that you think should be added for an effective, for a beautiful skin, that should be added to a skincare. Let me know in the comments if there are other rules that you think should be added, and let me know the videos that you want to see. I get inspiration from your comments, so just leave your comments there. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week. Bye.